Hi students, welcome. Today we discuss 12th standard chemistry lesson hydroxy compounds and ether. Topic properties of phenol. In the last video discussed properties of phenol. In its continuation today we discuss properties of phenol. Now we discuss physical properties of phenol. Generally phenol are colorless needle shaped crystal and hygroscopic in nature. So phenol is a colorless needle shaped crystal, hygroscopic nature. So hygroscopic means certain substance exposed to atmospheric air absorb atmospheric moisture at ordinary temperature. Okay, so phenol, so hygroscopic nature substance, then corrosive nature and poisonous. Okay, so these are physical properties of phenol. Then next one, phenol turns pink on exposure to air and light. Okay, so in the presence of air and light, phenol turns pink. Okay, so phenol store in laboratories black colored bottle or black colored brown colored plastic bottle or glass bottles. Okay, then next one, the simplest phenol or liquid or low melting solids and have quite high boiling point. Okay, so simple phenols are liquid and sometimes these are low melting solids and phenols have quite a high boiling point. Then phenol is slightly soluble in water because of hydrogen bonding. Okay, so phenol present in the water, certain equilibrium exists. Okay, and Pennoxide ion is formed, and then hydrogen bonding is formed between the phenol and water. Okay, so phenol slightly soluble in water. Then next one, the substituted phenols. So however, other substituted phenols are essentially insoluble in water. So substituted phenol, for example, toluene, orthokerazole, okay, hydroxyphenols are essentially insoluble in water, right? Then next topic of hydroxy compounds and ether lesson, chemical properties of phenol. Chemical properties. So first we discuss a reaction involving the OH group. Okay, reactions involving OH group. First one, reaction with zinc dust. Phenol is converted to benzene on heating with zinc dust. Okay, phenol is heated with zinc dust, converted into benzene. In this reaction, the hydroxyl group which is attached to the aromatic ring is eliminated. Okay, so phenol, in this reaction, the hydroxyl group is attached to a benzene ring. This hydroxyl group is eliminated in the aromatic ring. Okay, the benzene ring. Okay, so this ring is benzene ring. OH group is attached to the aromatic benzene ring. Okay, so heating with zinc dust, the hydroxyl group is eliminated and form benzene. Okay, so heating with the zinc dust, phenol is converted into benzene with the elimination of zinc oxide. Okay, zinc oxide also formed in this reaction. Okay, zinc oxide, benzene, C6H6, benzene molecular formula. Phenol molecular formula C6H5OH. Okay, then next one, reaction with the ammonia. Phenol on heating with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride gives aniline. Okay, so aniline preparative methods. This one is an important method for preparation of aniline. Okay, phenol on heating with ammonia in the presence of a anhydrous zinc chloride. Okay, so phenol heated with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. So phenol ammonia NH3 heating with anhydrous zinc chloride in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride gives aniline. Okay, aniline C6H5NH2 aniline. Then next one reaction, ester formation reaction. So Scott and Baumann reaction. Scott and Baumann reaction. So naming reactions are very important. So now discuss a Scott and Baumann reaction. Right. In this reaction, esters are formed from phenol. Right. Phenol on treatment with acid chloride gives ester. Okay, acid chloride. For example, acetyl chloride, benzyl chloride. Okay. In this Scott and Baumann reaction, acetyl chloride is used for conversion of ester. This reaction is acetylation. Okay, suppose benzyl chloride used for conversion of ester. This reaction is benzoylation. Okay, right. The acetylation and benzoylation of phenol are called Scott and Baumann reaction. Okay, so acetylation, phenol on treatment with the acetyl chloride, okay, gives ester. This reaction is called acetylation. Okay, so acetyl chloride used for Scott and Baumann reaction is called acetylation. Okay, suppose benzyl chloride used for the in Scott and Baumann reaction, this reaction is called benzoylation. Okay, right. Now discuss equation for Scott and Baumann reaction. So phenol C6H5 treated with the acetyl chloride CH3COCl, acetyl chloride, acid chloride. Okay, in the presence of sodium hydroxide and pyridine reagent gives ester. Use ester with the removal of hydrochloric acid. With the removal of hydrochloric acid. Then next another one reaction. So first one reaction is example for acetylation. Then next one reaction, phenol treated with a benzyl chloride C6H5COCl. Okay, benzyl chloride in the presence of sodium hydroxide and pyridine reagent gives an ester. Okay, so aryl ester. This ester is aryl ester C6H5O C double bond O C6H5 aryl ester with the removal of hydrochloric acid. Okay, then next one important reaction, Williamson ether synthesis. Okay, formation of ether. Okay, ester molecular formula O C double bond O, ester general formula R O C O R, ether R O R, ether general formula. Okay, so reactions involving OH group. So first formation of ether, so Williamson ether synthesis. So then next one important naming reaction, an alkaline solution of phenol react with the alkyl halide form phenyl ether. Phenyl ether. Okay, then the alkyl halide undergoes a nucleophilic substitution reaction by the phenoxide ion in the presence of alkali. Okay, so alkyl halides undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction in the by phenoxide ion in the presence of an alkali. Okay, sodium hydroxide, presence of sodium hydroxide. So equation for Williamson ether synthesis, phenol treated with the sodium hydroxide, so alkaline solution of phenol, okay, gives sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, alkaline solution of phenol gives a sodium phenoxide. Then the sodium phenoxide treated with the alkyl halide methyl iodide CH3I or iodomethane forms anisole or methoxymethane. Methoxymethane. Okay, methoxymethane or anisole C6H5O CH3. Okay, aryl ethers. So anisole. Okay, so in this reaction, sodium phenoxide with a methyl iodide. This reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, forms anisole or methoxymethane. And a sodium iodide also formed in this reaction. Thank you, students. See you next class.